Here's how to book more clients for weddings and events. Now, most of the time when I do events, I'm doing a wedding and I do photography and videography at the same time. A lot of people say you should be the master of one thing and not of many things, because then not the greatest, because you're not a master of something, you're just gonna be average at everything. Now, I look at it in a way where, now remember, we're trying to get more deals and more income. So what you wanna do for people is create value. If you're offering something that they don't really have to pay a second person for, you're gonna create value for them and they're gonna be more likely to want to book with you. If you manage to create value by doing both, then you can be more valuable in different things. So you can have a lot of projects that you can do, so you don't have to just do photography one time. You can do videography and you can up your skills in all of it. And also plus you'll get more opportunities because you're having a wider market of what you're doing. If you're enjoying this video, please be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of my videos and we can help the channel grow. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So that being said, let's say you're the customer trying to buy someone who's doing photography and videography. If you can save by having the same person do it both times and you have to pay more people to do it because that would cost more time, money, and everything, then you're gonna obviously save more. And if you're half decent at your job, most people are like, okay, I'm paying for one guy to do two things. I'm gonna not be as critical as if two people are doing different things. Again, it's all personal preference, but for the majority of people who want a deal or they wanna basically have it all one person, then you're creating value by doing this and you're gonna be getting a lot more clients in different scenarios and also just creating a lot of value for people where they didn't think that they could get it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and got to value it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of my videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, feel free to follow me here so you can see more of my content and feel free to suggest some ideas. I'd love to hear what you all have to say. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.